Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought new updates regarding Ph.D. admission in Manit Bhopal. So Manit Bhopal has given notification for Ph.D. admission for December 2022. Here you can apply for three category: regular full-time research scholar, second sponsored research scholar. Under this category, the candidate, anyone if working in government organization, public sector and research institute, then that organization will sponsor him for doing PhD admission. And third one, JRF or project associate. If any candidate working as JRF or project associate, then also he can apply for PhD, provided that he has 3 years fellowship awarded from any government agency in all department or centers of Manit Bhopal as per PhD ordinance. Fourth one, internal faculty members working in Manit Bhopal in regular capacity, also they can apply. These are the departments: architecture and planning you can apply, biological science and engineering, center for artificial intelligence, center of excellence in product design and smart manufacturing, center of excellence in water management, chemical engineering, chemistry, civil, CSE, energy center, electrical engineering, electronics communication, humanity and social sciences, management studies, material and metallurgical engineering, mathematics, bioinformatics and computer application, mechanical engineering, physics. So for each stream, different eligibility criteria is there. For engineering, if anyone having a bachelor and master degree in relevant engineering with minimum 60% marks and get qualified, then you can apply. If anyone has done BTech or BE, then directly after BTech he can apply for PhD, provided that he must have 70% marks or 7.5 CGPA and get qualified, means valid GATE score. Bachelor degree in relevant engineering with minimum 80% marks or 8.5 CGPA from Institute of National Importance without get qualified people can also apply. Science, bachelor and masters in relevant science or engineering with minimum 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA with net get qualified people can apply. Architecture and planning, bachelor and masters in architecture and planning with 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA with get qualified can apply. If anyone has bachelor's in relevant engineering with say 70% marks or 7.5 CGPA with get qualified, then also you can apply. And if anyone has done BTech with CFTI or institute from Institute of National Importance like IIT, IIIT, NIT without get qualified, having get 80% marks or 8.5 CGPA can also apply. Humanity and social sciences, bachelor's and master's in humanity or social sciences with minimum 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA with net qualified can apply. Management, bachelor's and master's in management or engineering with 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA with net get qualified can apply. This is for categories 1, 3 and 4. In category 1, full-time research scholar, third category JRA for project associate, and fourth one internal faculty member. And for second sponsored category, there is no requirement of GATE, only they have to fulfill minimum percentage marks of bachelor's and masters, directly they can apply. Reservation are also here will be given for as per Government of India norms. Relaxation of 5% in CGPA or percentage for SC, ST and PWD people will be applicable. These are the seat matrix. In architecture and planning, total 4 seats. Biological science and engineering, total 4 seats. Center of artificial intelligence, 3 seats. Center of excellence in product design and smart manufacturing, total 3 seats. Center of excellence in water management, 3 seats. Chemical 4, chemistry 4, civil 12, Computer Science and Engineering total 6, Energy Center 4, Electrical 6, Electronics Communication 12, Humanities and Social Sciences 6, Management Studies 5, Material and Metallurgical Engineering 4, Mathematics, Bioinformatics and Computer Application total 7, Mechanical total 10 and Physics 5. Sponsored research scholar, there shall be 2 seats of sponsored research scholar in each department and center they have mentioned. Fee structure, the fee structure for academic year 22-23 as per annexure 1, there will be no exemption of tuition fee for any category. Hostel facility will not available for PhD students. This is the link, by this you can go for applying PhD form. Completed form along with self-attested copies of all essential document and non-refundable processing fee of 1500 for unreserved OBC and EWS and 1000 for SC, ST and PWD candidate should be submitted to Assistant Registrar Academic Manit Bhopal 462003 before 11 December 2022. Payment will be done through SBI iCollect, and on envelope you have to mention application for PhD admission in mechanical department, CSE department, which department you are applying, that thing you have to mention. No individual communication via postal or email will be done. You have to visit regularly the college website. This is the list of essential documents which you have to keep ready to send there. Selection procedure, 50% weightage will be given written test, then interview 20%, weightage of UG 5%, weightage of PG 5% and weightage of GATE NET CAT marks 20%. Written test will be of 2 sections. In first section, research aptitude test will be taken, which is of 100 marks, 1 hour duration, question 50. There shall be common paper across all the stream and cutoff will be 35% of total marks for qualified candidate with relaxation of 5% for SC, ST and PWD candidate. Research aptitude test will comprise of quantitative reasoning 40%, mental ability 30% and communication skill 30%. Section 2 will be of concerned discipline, maximum marks 100, 1 hour duration, 50 question. In this section, syllabus of GATE, NET, CAT for respective discipline will be followed. The answer sheets of section 2 will only be evaluated when a candidate attains minimum cutoff marks in section 1. Branch by merit list will be prepared as per table given above, considering the marks of section 2 only. No negative marking for wrong answer. 2 marks will be awarded for every correct answer. No TADA will be paid for written test and interview. Teaching assistantship will be provided for regular full-time scholars who have GATE or NET qualified. This shall be awarded to regular research scholar on semester to semester basis, depending on regular registration in each semester and satisfactory academic performance of a scholar as per PhD norms. Last date to form submission online 5th of December 2022. Last date for receipt of application by post 11th December. Tentative date of written test 22nd December. Tentative date of interview 23rd and 24th December. Result declaration on 30th December 2022. Admission date 6th January. Start of coursework 9th of January. This is the communication address. You have to send your document to this address. These all are the documents you may require. This is the fee structure. You have to pay after confirmation. So that's all about today's update. Share it this update with your friend. Subscribe the channel if you are visiting my channel first time. Thank you. Have a nice day.